Hello everybody. Hello everybody. I'm just home from the market today, so I'm too early. So I did not shower yet, so no makeup, just fresh. So this is how it looks like now with my old sandal, and there's damage now here. It's by walking in the stone. So here, and for now I'm home and I'm going to take off my sandal. So this is a very good quality sandal. It's from, the brand is out, but this is a very good brand. Oh, I will see. Oh no, it's from GB, it's Philippines. So same color, my nails. I did not change yet, but next time I think I'm gonna do red for this, and then I will try to cover up directly with the red letter. So okay, next is this one. That's all for now. See you next video. Bye everyone. Love you all.